the elevator at Deutschtown Center in Deutschtown/Troy Hill, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Case file reverser service. This is an Otis 211 elevators. Go down to 1. Green lights and the buttons. Which is a bit interesting. Here I go down. Here at 1. Up to 3. And here we go up. Here 3, 7 drop. And motion activated lights in short time, nice. Welcome back down 2. Just your typical loud Otis hydraulic motor. This certificate installed in 2005. Just your basic cab. That's still the initial certificate, by the way. They never removed it. Go back to 2. Case file fire operation. Just your basic series 5. It's a live door operator. This is not going to be it.